Good morning. I was reading the Simulation Toolkit User's Guide and I ran across this thing called a math console, which I hadn't seen before in MagicDraw. And I thought, oh, this sounds like fun. You can scroll through this. It tells you how to set it up in the options and what it looks like. But let's actually run it. You can run simulation by essentially right-clicking on almost anything and selecting simulation. We'll select fuzzy dice, hit run. We're now running simulation on fuzzy dice, but the math console is down at the bottom, and right now it's set for the built-in math. You can actually set it for the default and see what you get. It actually comes up in default. You do things like a equals 1 plus 1, and it tells us that a equals 2. For me, the default is Rhino, JavaScript Rhino. Built-in math has got a little bit higher power functions. You can do log functions, log10 functions, trig functions. So we might say something like b equals sine of pi over 4. The built-in math does trig functions in radians. Seem to like that. So pi over 4 is 45 degrees, and those of you remember the sine of 45 degrees or cosine of 45 degrees is the square root of 0.5. So there you have it. I thought this thing was kind of cool. I've been using it to debug the math that I have in constraint blocks. Because we all know that MagicDraw has 0 debugging capabilities, so you're kind of on your own. You're left to printing things out. But this is a nice way of actually entering those, copy and pasting them into here and see if they run correctly. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.